Welcome back. Today I'm going to review 3 Maynard's Jellies products. I already opened it because it's easier to get it out then, and all of them said new on the packet, as you can see. So I bought it at Gardenia Spar. It wasn't special there. Normally 28 Rand for a packet. I bought them for 20 Rand for 2. So I bought 6 for 30 Rand. First was summer drinks. Let's taste what it tastes like. I suppose it will differ a bit in taste because it's summer drinks. Looks quite interesting. All in the taste. Tastes very nice, yeah, I must say. I'll give us a 7.9 out of 10. And then the rose jellies. Let's taste what it tastes like. Looks actually like a rose. Here goes. Got a very nice taste to it. I'll give us an 8 out of 10. And then finally, the cola jellies. Let's taste what it tastes like. Actually, it looks like a cola tin. Here goes. That is very nice. Really very nice. I'll give it an 8.3 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you all, till next time.